Throughout history, brilliant minds have grappled with extraordinary challenges, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. From Archimedes' bathtub revelation to Einstein's revolutionary theories, these intellectual giants navigated intricate puzzles that baffled their peers. Their struggles and triumphs offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of problems that captivate the sharpest minds. Such challenges transcend the mundane, demanding exceptional cognitive agility and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. These problems extend far beyond textbook exercises. They delve into the very essence of our universe and ourselves. They reside at the intersection of multiple disciplines, demanding a holistic understanding that connects seemingly disparate concepts. This inherent complexity is precisely what makes them so alluring to individuals with exceptional cognitive abilities. One domain renowned for its intricate puzzles is the realm of logic and mathematics. Abstract problems in this field can tie even the most brilliant minds in knots. Take, for instance, Fermat's last theorem, a seemingly simple conjecture that remained unsolved for over 3 centuries. The challenge lies not in understanding the theorem itself, but in crafting a proof that rigorously confirms its validity. Such problems necessitate a unique blend of creativity and analytical prowess. Identifying patterns, forming logical connections, and meticulously testing hypotheses are crucial skills in this intellectual pursuit. The satisfaction of unraveling such intricate puzzles, however, is unparalleled, offering a sense of accomplishment that few other endeavors can match. Moving beyond the realm of pure logic, the field of behavioral economics presents a different breed of challenges. These problems explore the intricacies of human decision-making, uncovering the biases and heuristics that influence our choices. Consider the classic Monty Hall problem, a probability puzzle that often trips up even seasoned mathematicians. The counterintuitive nature of the solution highlights the limitations of our intuitive reasoning when dealing with probabilities. This discrepancy between our gut feelings and statistically optimal choices underscores the complexity of human decision-making. Unraveling these cognitive biases and developing strategies to overcome them are crucial challenges for those seeking to make rational choices in an uncertain world. Perhaps the most profound and enduring enigma lies within ourselves, the nature of consciousness and the human mind. How does our brain, a complex network of neurons, give rise to subjective experiences, emotions, and self-awareness? This question has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries, and despite significant progress in neuroscience, a definitive answer remains elusive. Exploring the inner workings of our minds requires not only scientific rigor, but also a healthy dose of introspection and philosophical inquiry. Understanding how we think, learn, and perceive the world around us is fundamental to unlocking our full cognitive potential. The challenges that fascinate brilliant minds are not merely intellectual curiosities, they are stepping stones to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. By embracing these challenges, we nurture our intellectual growth and push the boundaries of human understanding. Whether we are unraveling mathematical theorems, deciphering the complexities of human behavior, or exploring the mysteries of consciousness, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey worth taking. Let us cultivate our curiosity, hone our critical thinking skills, and embrace the challenges that ignite our minds. For it is in the pursuit of these intellectual puzzles that we truly unlock our potential and shape a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.